And the girl with the ball in her hand has been taking wickets in the early games. And we're away with Vaccaril with ball in hand. Oh, and that's big shape early. Nick, and gone, brilliant captaincy. Slashed away and hit well enough to avoid peril. Yep.
Catch from there.
That's beautifully played. Lovely off drive. And
it's working, 3 off 8.
McGrath goes again. Lusty blow through wide mid-wicket. And for the third time, she finds the rope.
A lot more confidence.
She comes at it. It's up in the air. It's a straightforward catch. And she's gone for one too many. Oh, that's not good. That is awful. It's up in the air, fielder underneath it. It's Fazakali, and she takes the simplest of catches.
It's just popping a bit more, or bouncing a bit more from whether it be overspin from Maisie Gibson or the bowler's cutters.
Oh, gee, that was...
I'm going to say I really like the position that Emily Smith's in. If we're in England, they like to stand in front of the stumps. I'm going to probably disagree with you there, Andy. I think it has been... I think the bowlers have... We're not giving them enough credit.
The bail's gone there.
No, but it didn't light up at all.
It's the finest things in life and a day at the cricket. As that one's hoisted not far and not wide.
Strikers.
And that's very well played. She's used the pace of Carey and breaks the shackles momentarily. Lovely shot. That's cleared the infield. And it's racing away and gets there. So a little flurry all of a sudden. That's hammered through extra cover. And she's got it over mid-off again. So this is outstanding. Against the odds stuff from Coit, 17. And it's through, so she takes it on. This is great stuff. We go. Carey gets her. So she shouldn't be too disappointed with herself. She throws her head back in disappointment, but she gives her team something, at least something to bowl at. Can they find a way into this Hobart Hurricanes batting lineup? Long levers, aren't they, for Zachary? She's wristy, and when she... That's a chance, and there's the breakthrough, so shoot, draws the error.
Yeah, that's exactly what the strikers needed.
Well, that's hit well. Gee, she's laid into that. And a couple of hops and over the rope. That's what she does. That's nicely played. That's put away. Beautiful shot. Yep. We haven't paid the price.
Albeit one was Heather Knight, one was Erin Fazakali.
Yep.
And now they make them pay as well with a boundary.
And now the runs start to flow. Yeah! Oh, there it is. It was going to be a big moment, the leggy coming on. Fazakali wasn't going to be able to resist. She's dragged that and put away. Poor ball.
Oh, yeah.
That's nicely played. There's space out there. That's a beautiful shot. And she's got her. Breakthrough straight away.
Yep.
That's nicely played. Oh, no. They can ill afford that. Oh, that's very unlucky. Desperately unlucky, Sarah Coit.
Tomorrow, in fact.
In fact. That's a full toss and put away.
Got my little passport book where you've got it stamped from all of the pavilions.
Oh, Gibson did her completely in flight. Wilson had no idea. Held the runs in check. And that's
Shots.
swatted away and into the gap. Big finish here for Coit. This is a chance. Max underneath it and gets the job done. Terrific over from Sarah Coit. 13 from 9.
Oh.
Beautifully bowled.
Oh.
They think they've got her. They have got her. No need for the review. The finger goes up and the dangerous try-on is gone. And she goes there. Fielder underneath it. Oh, that's an outstanding catch. It was headed over the rope. She got all of it. What a catch. What can Maisie Gibson do? She gets a bit of it, but there's coverage down there. It's only going to take a terrible misfield. That's not on. And that is an outstanding come-from-behind win by the Adelaide Strikers. They will be absolutely stoked with that performance.